Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO. Cronos is following our primary expectation here. Only yesterday I made a video. I think yesterday we had just retested this descending trend line from above. Highlighted to you that I remain focused on the upside, even though I don't particularly like this lower degree price action. It's just very, very difficult to decipher really what this is. It could, for example, be another small 1-2 setup and another 1-2 setup. But you know, you're then getting to a wave degree, which is changing so frequently. It's just part of the sort of intraday volatility where it's going to get very, very difficult. But for now, I think we are in this third wave. Maybe just a bit of a recap here and reminder of where the third wave target should be. And so target for wave 3 should be at 7.4 cents. Only yesterday we talked about that. We've already reached 7.3, so we're not far off. We've now reached the 1.38 FIB extension. Ideally, we're going to get to the 1.618 as a minimum in this third wave, but it could go higher. It's a bit hard to say due to the sub-wave structures. Based on what I can see here, I would rather say it should go higher. And then we should get a wave 4 and another wave 5, which would then again create the next wave 1, the next larger wave 1, which would come back in a wave 2. So we've just had an entry point here. Most people or everybody who entered here and should use it, or should everybody who used it should be in profit. Yeah, so again, it's now a bit of a wait and see. I would be careful not to overtrade this stuff at the moment. Let me just change the timestamp here. And I think that is one of the reasons for frustrations many people have. Many people, and I see it in the comments all the time, even though we basically just had a lot of support areas and trend reversal areas and entry points, a lot of people already asked for the next entries. But you know, we've just had a lot, okay? And I think it's just time to see if it works out and let it run. So I mean, you can enter wherever you want to, but the thing is, the reliable ones here, they were those, you know, and this one, and it's going in the right direction now. I think it's just to see if it works out now. Of course, pullbacks then, you know, can be the next entry points for anybody who likes to trade pullbacks, but that's your decision. Anybody who likes to trade breakouts, a reasonable setup might be a break above the wave 1 here at 7.5 cents, but I don't like to trade breakouts. Risk is just higher and position size is typically smaller. So from that point of view, I think it's just a bit of a wait and see now. It is gaining in momentum, which is good. Volume seems to be stable. I mean, bear in mind it's weekend, so we don't expect massive volume candles here. And it's on a good way, right? But until it really breaks above the wave 1 high, which again is at around 7.5 cents. I think it's actually a little higher, isn't it? Yeah, it's at 7.6, which is here. It could still come down and reset yellow wave 2 a bit lower. So you just need to know that, because it hasn't gained enough momentum yet for me to say, okay, this is, you know, clearly wave 3. I think we are in wave 3, but it's not crystal clear yet. Okay, it's not crystal clear. But for now we are holding support and just need a bit of patience now. So let's see. I mean, if this really is a third wave, which is happening, I mean, basically eventually it would be the third wave of a third and would really move higher, then this could be an alt season which is just starting across the market. Yeah. Either way, we should not forget about risk management as well. So anybody needs to consider moving their stop losses when you find it appropriate, but you should know about that anyway. So I think always risk management is more important than trying to maximize profits, because if you manage risk properly, you will become profitable, you know, just by itself really over time. But yeah, that's my update about CRO. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.